Hello friends, Mitra Softwares welcomes you the new large maintenance software. In the previous videos, we have seen how a hospital management software and a hotel management software worked. Now let's see how a large maintenance software works. So in large maintenance software, we have two logins. One is admin login and another one is receptionist login. So let's learn one by one. Now I am going to log in as admin. Fine. This is the admin login. You can see here number of options. So let's see the reservation here. Reservation, we have the option to add a guest. Yes, here customer ID is auto generated. We should give the check-in date. Fine, along with the check-in time. How many days you are going to stay there, should give. Total number of people, here they have option to enter children also, so I'm giving here. To give the checkout date, but be careful while giving the checkout date and the check-in dates and the number of days. So if you want to add a proof such as Aadhaar card, PAN card, you can choose the file. I'm taking just as an example here. Guest data saves successfully. Okay, fine. Let's go to dashboard back. So this is to reserve, how to reserve or how to reserve a room. Fine, if you want to view the room just we have reserved, you can see here. Fine, let's go to booking. In booking we have green boxes, yellow boxes and red boxes, as we have seen in the Mitra hotel video. As usual, red boxes indicates the room which are already booked, and yellow boxes which are blinking, they are already been booked and used, and the payment is remaining. And the green boxes which are here, they indicates they are vacant. So if you want to raise a bill here, you should give the room number, select the customer ID, should give the guest name, how many number of days they have been there, and guest in, so gender, check-in date, all the information you have to give. And if you give the final bill, it will be okay. I'm going to give for room number 1 customer ID, okay. we have to give the checkout date, and the check-in time. And this is the checkout time. So I'm taking 500 rupees as a advance amount. Fine. If you fail to enter any one of the fields, it will be asking for please enter all the fields. So fine. So now I will show you how already we engaged room will be billed. If you give a final bill, yes, the total amount is being displayed here. If you give the print bill, fine, this is the bill. Okay, you can take the printout of this bill number of times. Now you can see I have given the raise the bill for room number 1. Now the box room number 1 is turned to yellow. Previously it was in red color. This is how booking works in our software. Now let's come to settlement. For that we should remember the invoice number we have raised here. You can see the invoice number here. Fine. If you remember the invoice number, it will be well and good for us. Fine. You can see the invoice number here, 38. So just enter here. If you give clear, it will reflect here. So you can select the payment mode, cash, and if you are going to pay the amount form of card, you can select card and you can give the card number and etc. Yes, bill cleared successfully. This is about settlement. If you want to see the inventory, in inventory we have the day report, how many bills or how many rooms have been booked per day, or this is the day cash report, how much cash has been received in the form of cash, and this is the weekly report, this is the monthly, this is room wise report. If you enter the room number, it is enough to get the details. If you here in the invoice wise report, if you enter the invoice number, it is enough to get the details. Here is the monthly tax report. If you want to see how much tax has been raised for that particular month, you can see that. If you want to see the settlement summary, you can see select the start date. So I am selecting for this month. In this month, in the 30 days, how much cash has been received. Fine. You can see here the mode of cash we have received this much of amount and what's the status. Fine. Next, you can see the details of cancelled bills also here. If you want to add some more rooms, you can add a room number here. You can choose AC or non-AC, number of beds and amount per day for that particular room you can add. So here comes the employee. In employee we have the receptionist, manager, housekeeping and the security. If you want to add the receptionist and etc., all the employees, you can add here and view also. Next comes the view rooms. Here are all the rooms. You can check here for the purpose of how many rooms have been booked here. Fine. And next comes here in the right block, add event. If you want to add an event, for example, I'm going to show for a birthday. So you can select a date. An event is added. So I have added a reminder here. If you want to add a reminder also you can add. Same. Yes, this is about adding a reminder. Let's go to user manual. When you click the user manual, it will directly take you to our Mitra software page. Yes, YouTube page. You can see our videos here, how lodge management software works. You can see here. Next comes to our developer message. Here in developer message you will see our website, Mitra software website. You can check or add any queries, you can add here. Fine. Next comes to the calculator, a mini calculator for a side use. If you want to make a calculation for urgent purpose, you can use a calculator here only. Next, if you want to add or if you want to upload image for the dashboard, you can upload here. Select any one of the photo. Fine, it will be uploaded here. This is about admin login. So let's learn how a receptionist login works. Fine, here receptionists have only options to reserve a room and settle the bill and transfer the bill. That's it. Fine. Here if you want to raise final bill, you can print the final bill here in the receptionist login. And if you want to settle, you can go to settlement as we have done in the admin login. The bill will be cleared like this. Yes, we have seen all the options in the admin panel as well as in receptionist panel. This is how a lodge management software works. I hope you have liked the software as well as the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any interest or if you are in need of lodge management software, kindly contact Mitra Software's website, that is mitrasoftwares.in. The website name is mitrasoftwares.in. Thank you.